Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the last edition of COE News for the spring 2022 semester. We've made it. I'm Victoria.
And I'm Brenna.
And it's COE time. Can you believe we're already at the end of the semester?
No, not really. How did it even happen?
I mean, I guess time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Anyway, it's crunch time to get all our assignments and projects done, and finals are right around the corner. So don't forget that the COE and CNSM tutoring centers will be hosting tutoring sessions until May 6th.
Also, if you're interested in working as a tutor, a front desk assistant, or even an exam assistant for the COE Tutoring Center, they are hiring. Pay for tutors starts at $16 an hour, and tutors can work up to 10 hours a week. For more information on tutoring sessions or to apply, head to the link below.
Don't forget that withdrawal during the final 3 weeks of instruction is not permitted unless there are serious and extenuating circumstances beyond your control that prevent you from continuing in your classes, and incompletes are not possible. However, if you do need to withdraw from your classes, the deadline to do so is Friday, May 6th. For more information on catastrophic withdrawals, click the link in the captions below.
Last but not least, check the final exam schedule. Most finals take place at a different time from the actual class time that you're used to. Sometimes they're even on different days. So just do a quick double check so you don't accidentally skip your final. I know people that have done that. It's not fun. Head to the link in the captions for the full exam schedule. And now it's time for Shop Talk.
Yes, it's Shop Talk for all your workshop needs. Since we're wrapping up the semester, there aren't many workshops left, but we have 2 that you may be interested in attending. The first is the Financial Empowerment Debt Management Workshop, which will take place Thursday, April 28th from 3 to 4 p.m. on Zoom. If you want to know more about the potential debt that you carry and how to manage it, then join us for a workshop on the importance of debt management and how you can maintain yours.
And the second is what I consider to be the most important workshop of the semester. It's where you can learn the best ways to study smarter during final season. The Prepping for Finals workshop is happening Wednesday, May 4th on Zoom, and Thursday, May 5th in ECS 304 from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And now on to events.
We may be closing out the semester, but we've got a few events to help de-stress before finals. This weekend, tune in for a virtual movie screening of the film Minari. Movies are free and open to all LBSU students for a 48-hour streaming period. You can view the films through your single sign-on account starting Friday, April 29th to Saturday, April 30th. To find out more about the plot of the film and how to access it, click the link in the captions.
For something a bit more hands-on, join Beach Pride events on Monday, May 2nd from 3 to 4 p.m. in the USU Center courtyard, where you have the opportunity to make your own mini wooden diffuser. This is a great chance to relax and craft with your fellow students right before finals. Simple step-by-step instructions will be shared to create your own wooden diffuser with its own unique aroma. Feel free to stop by and spend the hour with us. All materials and events are free and provided to LBSU students.
And if you're stressing about the end of the semester and finals, then head to the SWRC's Night of Relaxation, happening Monday, May 2nd from 5 to 7 p.m. at the SWRC Beach Mountains. Restore your body's energy and let loose. This event will allow you to de-stress with gentle yoga, a guided chakra meditation, and a sound bath. Afterward, lay in a hammock, grab some spa water, and make your own essential spray or scrub.
If you're looking to get your adrenaline racing after a night of relaxing, don't miss out on the last virtual movie screening of the semester with Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Again, movies are free and open to all students for a 48-hour streaming period. You can view the films through your LBSU single sign-on account starting Thursday, May 5th through Friday, May 6th. To find out more about the plot of the film and how to access it, head to the link in the captions.
Last, but certainly not least, if you find yourself needing a chance to recharge the week before or during finals, head to Farber Fitness at the Rec Center for a yoga for mental health session on Thursday, May 5th or Thursday, May 12th from 5 to 6 p.m. Learn yoga and meditation practices that improve mental health, boost emotional well-being, and promote academic success. Each class includes physical yoga practice, breathing exercises, and guided meditation.
I'm definitely going to need some yoga during finals this year. Well, that's all we have for this edition of COE News. We would love to hear from you, so let us know what you think. And if you have any suggestions, comments, questions, let us know on our Beach Sync page, COE First Year Experience.
If you want more information on anything we've talked about, check out the links below. Stay tuned for our next episode. And in the meantime, I'm Brenna.
I'm Victoria. Don't forget,
summer is right around the corner. Thank you, universe.
No, leave that in.